What's happening? Alright, so today's project, or tonight's project I should say, is a dehumidifier. Right now, as I'm driving around the truck, it's late winter right now. And we're going to be coming into a wet spring. Right now, when I've got any type of moisture in the air, especially after I wash the truck, or if it's just really wet outside, the windows fog up terribly, and the heater can't quite get rid of it. And I mean, you can use the AC to try and dehumidify it, but I really don't want to run the AC all the time. So I did see a DIY on how to use cat litter, the not clay. We're talking about the silica desiccant crystals here. So I picked this up from pet store up the street. So I've got a million pounds now. So we're going to use that, and we're going to load those into a sock. I picked up some Redsco socks because I think that shit's hilarious. So, and this black Rage sock is going to be the one that we use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load that up, and we'll go ahead and sew it up, and I don't know, hopefully we'll have some defogged windows. Really not trying to rip a hole in this. I'm trying to keep it as tight as possible. So I'm just cutting this versus ripping the plastic out, because I really don't want to end up with a hole. So we're going to carefully, and they've actually bound these in 3 different spots. Alright. So this is the guy that we're going to use. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Alright, so there we go. There we go. We'll have to see how this works out.